Hi guys, it's Brooklyn. I'm gonna be doing a video to test out a few different kinds of things to see what one's more squishy. And y'all here. Let's get on with the video. Our first thing is a slime. It's this green one. I'm sure you guys have seen it before. It's super stretchy, but we're doing the squishiness. It's like a putty, but it's very, very squishy and more sticky. Oh God. Now, onto a few more other ones. My next thing is a stress ball. It's like, not even squishy. I will give this, 5 out of 10, and the squishiness a 1. For this slime, I will give it a 10, and for the squishiness, 8. Alright, on to our next one. Alright, this other slime. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I am going to be giving a couple shout outs to JM Friends, Grayson 101, MB Popular, and Pocky Production. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, subscribe, and like to see what one you think was the more squishiest. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!